Hi everyone, I'm here with your weekly guidance from the 10th to the 16th of June, and let's have a look at what the energy of the week is. We're really going to tap in to see what is this week really bringing for you, what is it that you can expect, and what is the Spirit's guidance for each and every one of you for this week. I'm going to be covering 3 areas: career, finances, love, and relationship. This will give you a whole overview of your entire week. But this is a collective reading, it is general, so if you'd like a personal one, you can connect with me via DM. Now, before we move into the reading, I want you to quickly double tap so that you can connect with my energies. And when you feel that this reading is resonating, do type 666 in the comments to claim it. Now, the first area that we are getting into is career, and let's see what is the guidance that the Spirit is sending for your career for this week. The message that we have is the Hermit. So this week, what each and every one of you really needs to focus on is taking out a little bit of time to see how you are really thinking about your career. I feel a lot of you are, perhaps in a monotonous routine where you're just, doing what you need to do. But this week, I feel that the Spirit is really asking you to take out some time to understand that, are you happy where you are? Are you happy doing what you're doing? Is this something that you see yourself doing for a long period of time? So it's time to ask yourself those important questions. I think now is the time, this is the week that you really need to touch upon those. The next area that we're covering is finances, and let's see how our finances is going to go in this week. The message for finances, wow, is the 10 of Pentacles. So I think money is coming in. It has been a little slow for the past few weeks, but I think that things are looking good this week. There is a lot of financial, growth that is coming for some of you. I also see some kind of inheritance or some money coming down from family, which some of you could actually be getting in this week. And even if you're not getting it, it could be something that is due to you and you actually get one step forward with respect to that as well. But finances are looking good. I feel there is a lot of stability that you are moving towards in this week. The 10 of Pentacles also really talks about planning about your finances, and I had spoken about this in my monthly reading as well, where you do need to plan out. If you want this happy picture where you are stable, you have everything that you desire, you need to plan your finances properly, and that message is still intact. It's not gone anywhere. Now, the third area that we're getting to is love and relationships, and let's see what is the guidance or what is, this week bringing in for love and relationships. The 3 of Swords. So something has been keeping you very, very upset when it comes to your love life. And I feel that this is a time right now where you really need to perhaps take a couple of steps back to understand what is happening in your relationship. What is it that's happening if you're single? You are feeling a lot of things, or you're going to be feeling a lot of things, and rather than retaliating, rather than fighting, it's time for a little bit of a retreat. You need to heal yourself. Some of you have gone through a lot of difficulties in your relationships, and that is the reason I feel that this energy is all about healing yourself. It's not really about trying to fix things or trying to, talk about things or trying to, get agitated about things. You need to accept what you're feeling. You can't be in denial about what you're feeling. Whether you're in a relationship, whether you're single, you all want love to come in, and the Spirit wants love to come in. Look at this. The Spirit definitely wants love to enter. So that is something that is sure, but I think that you need to accept where you stand right now. And a lot of you could be feeling, a little heavy in terms of your emotions this week. That is the reason I think that the Spirit is saying that don't retaliate, don't fight, don't argue unnecessarily. Try and resolve things. Try and do it from a place of love. Try and do it from a place of compassion. That is what is going to actually solve the issues that you have. For those of you who are single and who've been single for a really long time, you could be feeling heavy that you're looking for a relationship, you're looking for your divine partner. And with this Knight of Cups showing up here, that definitely means that improvement and a person entering in are going to be very, very likely in this week as well. So put yourself in places, where you can actually connect with people, where you can let your emotions flow. Because only when you put yourself in that situation are you going to be able to attract that energy. And this goes goes for those of you who are in relationships as well. If you want to bring about a change, if you want to make things improve, you have to start bringing those changes within yourself as well. So I hope that this reading resonates. It's an overview reading, but I hope that it has resonated. There were some very, very strong messages coming through. Do share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, follow and share. And I will see you again with the next weekly reading. Take care. Bye.